The hierarchy panel in Bezi is a crucial feature for organizing and managing objects within your spatial canvas. This video of the Bezi 101 series will guide you through using the hierarchy panel efficiently to keep your projects organized. Let's start with what you can do in the hierarchy. If you're familiar with layer-based organization in popular design tools like Figma, 3D software, or Adobe products, you'll feel right at home here. First, let's start with organization. You can select an object or group within the hierarchy. Doing this highlights them in the spatial canvas, making it easy to locate objects, rather than solely relying on selecting objects on the canvas. While selected, you can reorder objects or group them together, making your scene easier to navigate. Double-clicking on an object in the hierarchy panel allows you to rename that object. While selected, you can reorder objects or group them together, making your scene easier to navigate. Make sure to use these fundamental features to ensure that you keep track of your objects as your project becomes more complex. Second, you can toggle the visibility or lock objects. This allows you to focus on specific parts of your scene without accidentally clicking on other objects. Third, right-clicking elements in the hierarchy panel brings up additional contextual menus, such as duplicating objects, deleting them, or creating components. As you can see, many of these commands and others are available as shortcuts. If you need access to more shortcuts, the menu in the toolbar provides a full list of them all. The hierarchy also features contextual information that helps you understand your scene better. Some objects, such as cameras, also have additional icons that help you access tools to help you edit them. Finally, in terms of interaction design, objects with interactions attached to them have lightning icons to help you understand that those objects trigger other objects into other states. Talking about states, if your object has multiple states, the hierarchy will also display what state an object is in to help you keep track of them without opening the state machine. In conclusion, the hierarchy panel in Bezi is a powerful tool for organizing complex scenes with multiple objects. Its importance will become more apparent as you learn to build more advanced scenes in Bezi as you progress through the Bezi 101 series. See you in the next video.